Hello, in this video I'm going to show you some of the features of discussion boards in Blackboard and demonstrate them for you. Not all courses use the exact same settings, so hopefully the general concepts of this video will apply to all your courses. I'll show you the most common way that discussion boards are used in Concordia classes. To access your discussion board, there's two ways you can do it. The first way is in the left-hand menu pane, there's a discussion link. If you just click that word discussions, you will then see all of the forums that are used in that course. These circles with numbers in them, if they're not zeros, those will actually be links, so you can quickly get to unread posts or replies to you. In most cases, you'll just click the title of the forum and see the threads or the posts that are available in there. The second way to access, and the preferred way to access it, is in the content section of the course. You'll see an icon with the push pin and the piece of paper. That means that that title is a link directly to that forum with the threads. So that's why that's the preferred way to do it, the fastest way to get there. Now, to make a post, in many courses, you'll see this create thread button here. You will click that create thread, that's making a post. You would type in your subject in that line, and then you would type your message in this line. You can format it if you wish using these tools up here. This is 3 rows of tools showing in this video. If you don't see all 3, you use these little chevrons. Here's the basic formatting tools. Here's the more complicated formatting tools if you want to do things like links and things like that. So you can just type, in most cases, just type in regular text message. Then you can click the submit button when you're done to post it. You'll then get confirmation that, hey, there's my post. It should have your thread subject and your name there. If you make a post and realize you want to change something in it or edit it, you can click on the title, and in many courses, you will get an option to edit your post. If you do not get that edit option, you would just have to go back and repost. So you can't edit it, but then you could correct it with a second post. The other thing you'll do is if there's not a create thread button, there would be one thread visible posted by your instructor that would have the prompt in it. So you would open that thread, read the directions from your instructor, and then you will hit the reply button. Now the reply tools are the same as the posting tools. You get the same window, and then you would click submit when you're ready to reply. In most courses, you're going to make your initial post by Wednesday and then reply to 2 other students by Sunday night. A word here about this lower right-hand corner with the save draft button. There's a 30-minute inactivity timeout setting in Blackboard. So if you're typing for 30 minutes and you haven't done any other activity, typing is not considered an activity. So if you haven't moved a window around, the Blackboard discussion is going to close after 30 minutes and you lose all of your typing. So a way to avoid that is you can, if you've been typing for close to 30 minutes, you can click the save draft button. That would make a file of what you have. You can then get back to that file and continue editing on after your 30 minutes. The other way, probably the better way to do it, is just use a word processor to do your long discussion posts. That way you get spell check, you get grammar check, and all the other formatting features in your word processor, and then you can copy and paste from that word processor right into your post before you hit submit. And then in some courses, we don't use a general discussion board, but we'll have a group discussion board. So if your course is set up where the students are divided into smaller groups, you'll be assigned to a group. It works the same way. You'll just click a group discussion board and then access those threads that are posted just by students in your group. That way you'll have a little smaller group of students to interact with as you're going. I hope that helps you be successful with posting and replying to others using Blackboard.